ultimate guide, how to create your own token from start to finish, step by step. Welcome to Wolver channel. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process of creating a fully functional token on any blockchain of your choice. Whether you're looking to launch a project or simply learn the process, this guide covers everything you need. Important note: pay close attention to each step. Missing a detail could cost you time and money. Step 1. Access the development tool. Open your browser and navigate to remix.ethereum.org. This platform allows you to write, compile, and deploy smart contracts on most major blockchains, excluding Solana for now. Step 2. Set up your token file. Click File in the top left menu. Select New File and name it your token.sol. The .sol extension is mandatory. Need a smart contract? If you don't have a contract ready, contact me on Telegram, link in description, for a secure and optimized template. Step 3. Compile the smart contract. Go to the Compiler tab. Ensure the correct compiler version is selected, matching your contract's requirements. Click Compile your token.sol. A green checkmark means success. If errors appear, review your code or use a pre-made contract. Step 4. Deploy your token. Connect your wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, etc. Choose your desired blockchain: Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, Base, etc. Locate the WAY value, a large number at the top of the contract, and ensure it's correct. Enter your token details. Name, for example, Wolver token. Symbol, for example, WLV. Total supply, for example, 1 million. Click Deploy or Transact and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Once confirmed, your token is live on the blockchain. Step 5. Add the token to your wallet. Copy the contract address provided after deployment. Open your wallet and select Import Token. Paste the address, select the correct network, and confirm. Your token balance should now appear in your wallet. Final notes. If you need a professionally written smart contract, message me on Telegram for assistance. Like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your token.